Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how to install Tableau from Tableau installer. In the last video, we saw how we can download Tableau. So this is the downloaded software. Now we are going to install this thing. Before we jump into today's session, I want to make sure you know that there are many tutorials are coming on Tableau, including other programming language and algorithm tradings. So be sure to subscribe and tap the bell so that you can get a notification every time a new tutorial is published. So let's jump into today's tutorial now. To install Tableau, we need the installer which we already downloaded. So here it is the installer of Tableau. To install the software, just double click on top of it, or you can do right click and then you can choose open. Then it will start the installation. It will take few seconds to appear the installation window. This is the first screen of the installation. Here it is showing welcome to Tableau and there is a checkbox. I have read and accept the terms of license agreement. To install it, we must have to accept, and then this install button it will be enabled. So I am going to hit the checkbox and then the install button will be enabled. After that, there is another checkbox, don't send product usage data. If you wish, you can check mark. Then we have to click on install button, but there is another button which is called customize button. If you click here, then you can change the location of Tableau on your computer. Here by default Tableau will be installed in this location, but if you wish to change the location, what you can do, you can click on browse button and you can point the folder or location where you want to install. So I'm not going to change this thing because I like the default installer location. So I'm going to hit cancel button, and after that there are a couple of check boxes. This will create the shortcut on your desktop, and there is another shortcut, create a start menu shortcut, and there are another two, check for Tableau products update, install database drivers, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL SQL, and Amazon Redshift. So if you wish, you can check this, but I will suggest or recommend to check this driver, otherwise later you might need to download this thing. Okay, so these options are fine. Then we can hit install button, or if you don't come this screen and if you don't want to customize, you can easily hit install button. Both of them will work the same way. So I'm going to hit install button now, and then it will pop up this type of warning. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We want to install this Tableau software, we know that, so we have to hit the yes button. If we hit the yes button, then it will start the progress of installation of Tableau. The complete installation of Tableau, it will take some time. It will take like 1 to 2 minutes based on the performance of your computer. Once the installation is complete, then I will be back. Once the installation is completed, then you will see this type of window. There are three options. One is start trial now, then activate with product key, and activate by signing to a server. You can choose based on your requirement. Right now I will use the free version, that's why I will use start trial version. But if you already purchased the software Tableau, then you can use activate with product key or activate by signing to a server. Any of the option is fine for you. So based on requirement, change the option. So I'm going to hit start trial now. Once I click there, then it will start the trial mode. Once you hit for the trial for this software for 15 days, it will ask you the information regarding to register. Okay, so here I am going to put all the information, I mean my information, very fast, and then I will click the register button to complete the installation. So I'm going to type everything now. Once you complete all the information, then register button will be enabled, and then just click register button to complete the installation of your Tableau for 14 days. So I'm going to hit register button, and then we'll see it will give us this type of message like sending data to server. Okay, and it will take some time. After that it will complete. So once the registration is complete, then you will get this type of message, registration completed. Then hit continue button to complete the installation. Once the installation is completed successfully, then you will get this type of window for Tableau. So in the top you will find some menu like file, data, server, help, and this is the data source related thing. Will come those things later, and then there is some other thing like training or getting started, something like this, and then you will get on information that your 14-day trial has started. Here are some great ways to learn Tableau. So thank you guys for watching the video. In this way you can easily install Tableau and start the trial version for 14 days, and you can access everything of this software. I believe after watching this video you will be able to do this thing, and if you face any problem or if you have any question, please put in the comment section. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.